Alright, welcome back guys. It's another Emma Tries New Things, but this one is a really expensive product. It's Braun IPL Silk 5 Pro or Silk Pro 5, and it's a IPL portable device. It's pretty good buy. It's an investment because I've got some hairy legs. Not gonna lie, you know, I mean I love myself, but I don't want it to be so super hairy. I don't really like looking at it, but I mean if you have hairy legs and you love it, that's great, you know. Love yourself and how you want it to be. But I just want to show you how my review is for using a portable device like this, because I do go to IPL salons and they're really expensive for every treatment. They do help, but it's just getting way expensive, so I thought like just buying one device, doing it at home would work. So I'm just going to show you my leg progress and whether this works for, you know, for if you have hairy legs and you just want to do an investment. Okay, as you can see, this is after 1 week. It grew pretty fast. I don't know, there are some bald spots. I mean I did go to the IPL session for my legs for quite a while, but there are some bald spots. You can see I did my toe once as well, but I just want to show you the progress of it. This is only second session of using this device at home, so they recommend for the first 2 to 3 months that every week to do once, and then after that you know, either I can't remember if it's longer or not. So I'm gonna just do a review to see whether it works. Yes, I've got a lot of ingrown hair and it's really thick, so I'm really hoping that it would solve the problem and I don't have to spend too much. So I'll show you the progress. Hey guys, gonna show you how I use this. I don't know how to use this, but how I use this. So I'm plugged in with the wire. I'm wearing the glasses because it's super bright. And this button, I put it to like the highest, and it hurts very bad. I mean it's not super bad, but like it hurt a lot when I put it to like the highest mode. I don't know why, but when I put it on the first mode, it's not. I don't know, maybe I need to reread the manual again. But anyways, I put the first mode, and now I'm gonna use this bigger head. They come with a smaller head as well, which is for bikinis, but this is how this is the bigger version where I use it on my leg. And I would recommend wearing sunglasses because it's super extremely bright. Okay, so I've already shaved my leg. It's dry, so you apparently you need to put the entire thing there, so this will show up this way, and then when you press, see there's this red light, so it burns a little bit, but with this number one it doesn't. I don't know why when I put it like to the third one, it hurts a lot. So oh, that hurt a lot. I don't know why. Okay guys, so I rather put it as 1, which is now. You know, they say that you can glide, but you can't really glide unless the whole thing is in contact with the skin. So for example, I'm doing this is gliding, right? This works because it's like a big surface area, right? Okay, that didn't hurt at all with the first setting, which I really like. But like just doing at this angle, like it doesn't work. So it's like, it was really dumb, right? It couldn't really like. So like the alternative way I did was like going it horizontally. Then it does work when I glide on it. So this is how I do it. Okay, so I was just thinking maybe it makes more sense if I used this one to glide. So let's see how that works. Okay, I changed to the smaller head. Let's see if this works better. Okay, it doesn't really show up any still. Sorry for my awkward leg, but that's the only way I could show you. Okay, it doesn't really work still. You see, like it doesn't really. Yeah, the gliding thing doesn't work as what I want it to be. It's not as like I thought, like you were like, you know, you can just do this, but so I'm quite kind of disappointed with that. See, like you must make sure that it has that fully is fully covered. So like that's like the only like disadvantage. I thought it would be easier, and I didn't think that you need to like hook this up because it's so kind of like it's not really portable in a way because you still have to go near the wall. I thought like I could just stick that out and like just do it, but yeah, so sometimes I do it at an angle and then I just glide up. So you gotta be really disciplined in the first 2 to 3 months where you're doing it every once a week so that the results is more consistent, and then after that you can just do it like as per the guidance. So always check out the manual. Do this. I don't think it's for everyone, so I'm just giving and sharing my personal experience to let you guys know that, you know, this device works for me, for my needs. Everybody's needs are different, everybody's hair is different, so always make sure to check out the manual before you think about investing, because it's gonna be a very expensive product, and you gotta be, you know, committed to the process, and voila. Okay guys, just showing you an update after just like 4 treatments with the IPL. This is after my 4th IPL treatment, and this grew only in 1 week. I do notice that the hair were growing really slowly. There are still a few more patches here and there, but like I have not shaved for a week, guys. Like I'm really impressed with the results. My underarms like have a few strands here and there, but it's definitely not as much as I did, especially for my underarms, because usually a small surface area would be better. But this is it so far. Pretty you know, really pleased with the results. I continue to do it to see if it grows even lesser, but you can see that there are like bald patches, or not really bald patches, but the patches are not growing a lot. So yeah, really happy to see the results. And my toenails, oh no, it's kind of dry. Oh my gosh, just that one there, so annoying. And yeah, there's a few here which you see, even if it's a small area, it's still there. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. Guys, I am so super pleased with the results. This has been like my 8th treatment. Actually, for 2 weeks I have not done anything to it yet. You can see after 2 weeks this is the results. I'm so super shocked about how well it turned out. When I went to like, you know, like a IPL salon, like Japan IPL, it does not look like that in 2 weeks if I did not shave. And I did not shave, guys. Okay, honestly, like I have the hairiest legs ever, and I am just so pleased with how it looks. I mean, you can still feel that it's a bit like, you know, some parts are like there is like slow stubbiness, but like overall, if you just look at it, like you really can't tell that it's super hairy. Like, okay, I'll just go and show you a bit. Like you can tell like how hairy it is on my thighs, and just think of this, which is slightly more thicker and darker and more hairier everywhere here on the legs. So I am so pleased. I've got nothing to say, but just please, like, look at that, guys. I did not shave after 2 weeks. Okay, you can see here there are some parts still, you know, growing that way. So yeah, previously my leg hair would be like that, but worse at every part. So woohoo, guys, I must recommend this. 10 out of 10, money worth. Like honestly, I got it during a sale during Shopee. Original price apparently is $7.99, but I stacked up the vouchers and it was on sale, so I got this at $439. So if you get anything at that price or lower or around that, it's definitely a steal. Some, you know, like disadvantages where you can't really use this without, you know, the wires sticking out, so it's not really portable in a way. But they give you this bag where you can travel around. It's really nice, it's really easy to just carry around, but it's quite, you know, bulky in some sense. Obviously this does not come with it, and I would highly recommend you to get a really one of your old sunglasses and just wear it when you're doing the shots, because it's pretty flashy, and this is definitely worth your money. I would say invest if you do have the money to do it, because if compared to doing it at a salon, it's very expensive per session. Sometimes for my two like half leg, that would cost about like 200 Sing dollars per session. And I have not tried it at other areas, like for example bikinis and my face, because it's a bit more sensitive area. Maybe for the face I would probably try it for those who have like a bit of like mustache there and you don't want that. I think you can try it. It's slightly like tingling. For your private parts, I would recommend you to go and see a professional to do that. Probably you have to invest, and maybe you can use this to maintain it. I don't know, like consult a physician, doctor, whoever, the expert. I'm just giving my personal opinion on this thing. If you have any questions, feel free to just let me know. Follow me on my socials, IG and Twitter at Destination Emma. Make sure to subscribe, like and share, and see you in the next vlog.